Hi guys, today the new update in Baddies just came in and have new stuffs. Before I show you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's start with the vid. Over here, there's vampire skins for Robux. There's vampire flamethrower for 999 Robux, vampire Stanley for 399 Robux, and vampire dog leash for 1299 Robux. If you click free awards, you have to invite your friends. If they join, they have to play with you for 15 minutes to get those items. They added a brand new adoption shop. There's where you get the dog leash. Here's where the adoption center is. There's the dog leash on sale right now. The dog leash is for $30,000. Let's test it out now. You go close to them, then click the hold button. Now you're dragging them so they don't run away. That's all. Bye.